Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, we're diving into a report so fresh, it's practically still growing corn. We're looking at a company that just went through a major transformation, almost like a caterpillar turning into a slightly different caterpillar with a new name. This report, dated February 24, 2025, is from South 8 Energy, formerly known as Red Trail Energy. They filed what's called an 8K form with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Think of an 8K as a company's breaking news alert, used to tell investors about big events happening. The big news here, South 8 Energy sold off most of its stuff. It's what they are calling the asset sale. They did this through an agreement that was signed in September of the previous year, the Asset Purchase Agreement, and completed in January of the next year. Basically, another company, Gevo, and its subsidiaries Richardson CCS LLC and Net Zero Richardson LLC, bought almost everything South 8 Energy owned. So who are these companies and why did they purchase South 8 Energy? Well, Gevo is a company in the renewable fuels industry, and it looks like South 8 Energy had valuable assets that would help Gevo move forward in the biofuel market. Now, because of this massive sale, South 8 Energy had to make a few changes. One of the first things they did was change their name. They filed paperwork with North Dakota to legally change from Red Trail Energy, LLC, to South 8 Energy, LLC in February. It's like renaming your house after you've sold all the furniture. The state approved it later that month. I guess they had to get rid of the old name to signify the start of a new chapter in their corporate history. Even though the company changed its name, one thing that is staying the same is their fiscal year end. This means that their financial year will still end on September 30 of each year. This is important because it helps with tracking financial performance over consistent periods of time. Okay, let's wrap up the details here. The report was signed by Jody Johnson, the Chief Executive Officer, on February 27, 2025. This signature confirms that the information provided in the report is accurate to the best of their knowledge. This is a standard part of these kinds of filings, showing accountability. Now, what does all this mean? Well, it signals a major shift for the company. It divested itself of a large chunk of its operations and is now operating under a new identity. This kind of thing usually happens because the management has decided to pursue a different path for the company, perhaps focusing on new ventures or cutting losses. Looking at South 8 Energy's current situation, it seems that they're in a transitional phase. The sale of assets to Gevo indicates a strategic decision, and the name change symbolizes a fresh start. This can be a positive step if they have a clear plan for what's next. One notable risk is the uncertainty of South 8 Energy's future direction. Selling off most of their assets leaves a big question mark about their long-term viability and strategy. What will they do with the money from the sale? Do they have new projects in mind? On the other hand, this situation presents opportunities. With a significant influx of capital from the asset sale, South 8 Energy could invest in innovative technologies, explore new markets, or even restructure its operations to be more efficient. The key will be how they manage these resources. In conclusion, South 8 Energy's recent moves are a mixed bag. The asset sale and name change could lead to a promising new chapter, but it all depends on how they navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead. Investors should keep a close eye on their future plans and financial performance to see if this transformation pays off. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Until next time.